Okay, hello Shillong, hello Meghalaya, welcome back everyone. So today we are in one of the most tourist spot, most visited place guys by the name Nohkalikai guys. This is a waterfall here and it's not only a waterfall guys. This place really, the name of the waterfall is actually in a Kasi local language guys. It has a really deep, like a tragic story behind that which is written here. Yeah, this from here you can understand everything guys. I don't know it's reflecting but yes you have to read. You won't see it clearly but it's okay. Let's just go. So I'm here with my few of my local friends. Say hi. Yeah.
Hi.
Yeah, so many are there. So we'll explain to you guys and even me like I was so like I was so shocked to hear about the story of this place, of what happened. So it got named to the woman who did did the suicide here guys. So the suicide happened. So the name of this place, they name it for the woman who commit suicide. So she jumped from this side only now. Yeah. That is the fall there. Oh my gosh. Let's go up. Let's go that side. Okay. Nohkalikai. So this place basically most of the people love to visit and because of the tragic history it's so famous and it's also like amazing sightseeing and this is so beautiful. Wow. I'll just get closer guys to show you everything. Let me first show you my friends out here. They'll explain to you the tragic what? History behind this place. Yeah. Oh my god, see the place. Ah. Hello.
We have a friend here.
Hi sir. Hi. How are you? Fine.
He's studying.
Hi. How are you?
Okay, nice to meet
Hi.
you.
Yeah.
So all the best.
Okay.
Thank you.
See ya. Bye.
We'll meet in the future.
Yeah. So come. Let's speak about the. Oh, we are going there. Let's speak about
this.
this.
Is the Nohkalikai Fall, okay.
This is the Nohkalikai Falls of. Yeah, tell us. They will tell us in brief what happened about this place.
English or Kasi?
English,
you want?
okay?
What?
Yeah,
come
both
together,
of them.
Come together. We'll see at the view also at the same time. Come, Eric. Let's tell about Nohkalikai. So
Come, Eric. Let's.
Okay.
No, come with it. No problem.
Okay,
Oh yeah. Eric said.
Okay,
Eric
so
said.
This is the waterfall. Okay, guys.
Okay.
The main story of the fall is that there's a woman
Likai.
who suicide. Okay, Likai. Her name is Likai.
Ah.
She suicide. Okay. She jumped from the top to the bottom because of a tragic story.
Yes.
The story goes like because the stepfather cooked her daughter, no?
Yeah.
Cook her daughter, okay? And she thought while coming from work, she thought it was pork, okay?
Yes.
She ate it and then after that she went outside, she was sitting, okay? She was eating betel nut just like we do every time in our place, okay? After eating, we used to eat a betel nut, okay? Kwai,
Yes.
we call khasi. And she found in that basket, okay? The betel nut basket, she found some little fingers of her baby. After that, she realized that it was her baby, it was not pork, and that was a tragic story. And then after that, she just ran away. She feel guilty, and maybe as a mother, you understand, right? So she just went there, okay, to the
There
town.
exactly?
Yeah,
there.
because there used to be village.
And she suicide.
Okay.
She jumped from
There
there.
used to be way, but I don't think there is way now.
There is a
huh?
way, yeah,
There is a way.
Yeah.
Oh my
But
gosh.
but you need to go from the
Okay. That's
Okay,
very far.
There's a way, okay, Gabi to reach there, swimming parachute,
Ah,
and
it
then
will
she
be
jumped
good.
from them down there, okay. From that time, this place is called Nohkalikai. That means
Nohkalikai.
the Likai is the woman, okay, and then No means like she jumped from there. That is Nohkalikai.
Okay.
Hello.
That was really sad story, and because of her, this place is famous, guys, and everyone is visiting this place. You can see the waterfall is so nice, and even from the wind, it's just spraying. Let me just have a selfie for Nohkalikai. At least I'll be maybe the first African from my country to visit this place, because I don't know if someone from Africa, from my country especially, I don't think so. Someone from South Sudan have been to this place. I'll be the first African. Okay, this is a history to my country. First African from South Sudan to visit Nohkalikai, guys. And it is really so sad. May her soul rest in peace, guys. Yeah, just have a view. Wow, that is the fall, guys. The Nohkalikai fall.
And it will be more beautiful if it's in
Morning time or what?
month.
I'm trying to make a history, okay? They call it. You said they call it what? I forgot the name again. Nohkalikai. Nohkalika. Nohkalikai.
Yes.
Nohkalikai, guys. So I'm gonna change the name of Nohkalikai because I'm gonna dive. I'm gonna dive so that they will call this name Nohkalikai Gabs. I need to make a history here, okay? Nohkalikai Gabs, okay? If it will happen, let me know, guys, in comment section. So that what I'll come the next time and I will dive. Okay? I want to change the history of this. I want to be with Kalikai. Yes. This one. You mean that one, right?
Yeah, those are honey.
So pure, no?
Yeah. And they are in season. Like they have their own season.
So here they say this is so fresh, guys. You can see, and yes, it's out from here. Okay, I think it is that one, huh? Was that a cake?
Those are achar.
This one?
Yeah, those are achar. Yeah, those are achar.
Oh, that is something
Those are
different.
local achar.
Hey, giri. Nohkalikai, guys. They used to say it will be more beautiful during rainy season.